Good morning, everyone. Today's the 26th of September 2016. I started trading today, but I don't know if I should keep going just because the fact that I'm seeing a lag, some kind of problem with both the platforms that I'm using. It's even visible on this. So as you can see, there's a lag right there, bad ticks. Earlier, it wasn't even moving; it was just sitting around here, and the next thing you know, it's just this is going crazy. So I called my broker, and sure enough, CL's having a problem on the trade desk. So I'm not quite sure whether I should believe all of this data that I'm looking at right now, just because the fact that it's just. And then earlier this, my dome right here, really, it's just been sitting just 34, 36, 34, 36. I mean, it's just bouncing between. I'm sorry, but 39 and 32. It was just bouncing in there left and right like the whole entire time. So I think there is a bad data coming up here. So I don't know if I want to participate in this kind of price action, especially the source of your data is coming from someplace else. I'm not quite sure if that's the case. I know I haven't posted anything in a while, believe it or not. Um, when weather changes in Texas, I get hit with all kinds of allergies, ragweed, you name it, they have it here. So I've been coughing for almost a month now, and I was in some antibiotics, and that even didn't pan out for me. Just wanted to talk about my trades here. I'm only up about $37, but I don't know if, like I said, if I want to participate in it. As you can see, this is a two contract trade. Got stopped out for 7 ticks here, and then got stopped out again for 5 ticks. And at that point, I'm saying, okay, well, what the hell do I need to do now? So I waited, I was patient, and I found levels right here at 43, around the 40s area, 45. Actually, still there right now. So my last and final trade, I put in an order at 43, so it bumped its head on my order, and then what I did wrong with this one is I over managed it, so as I got stopped out at 42, and when I saw it was because it was at this candle right here, so when I saw it was weak at this bar, I started getting in again, but I got too aggressive. I put in at 40 order to sell, and I was able to get 15 ticks off of that one, which is 15 ticks a piece. And really my bias to the long side, so I was shorting a pullback, and really, I'm just trying to get my feet wet. I haven't been able to trade in a while. Like I said, I've just been sick, and actually, yesterday was the first day I actually felt a little better, and I can say a sentence without coughing. So even now, my throat's killing me as I'm speaking to you now. So, anyways, I don't know if I should trade anymore. I need to see a better order flow here, and the ticks, because right now you see it's still hovering around there. You see this? I mean, it's sitting there, just going up and down, up and down. I don't know what's going on, and I'm not planning on risking my capital for this kind of bad data. So I think I'm just gonna call it a day. But before I do that, I do have a level that I'm watching right here, which is this gray box right there. So if that gets, I think one of my subscriber, a follower, actually added him as a friend as well. Um, um, we were having some discussion about levels, and I kind of mentioned 46.19 was a level. I saw a crack in that, and it was actually around here, and my bias Friday was short, but I keep getting jigged out here, and then finally I think I lost 20 ticks Friday. Thursday I was able to trade, and I got 22 ticks Friday, per contract. And then so I was, I guess, somewhat flat for the for last week. So and I'm actually had the opportunity to trade today, but this is the kind of data that I'm getting, and I've experienced this in the past. You know, if you have bad data, you're just gonna lose your money. So I better not do it. I've certainly lost money before, and that one was scary. I even remember it. I had $100,000 equity stake in Apple. So and my internet went out. I mean, that was the scariest thing ever. So and then I remember it very well because when you take a loss, you will sure remember. So anyways, don't want to repeat that mistake, and I'm just gonna chill and watch, just watch the price action right now. So while we're at it, let me just see if let me get out my price action for the week. All right, guys. So sorry about that. So I think uh, um, price of oil here is gonna just gonna meander around here at this side. It's gonna make up its mind. It's finding support at this level, and now it's bumping its head around this level right here. 46.50 was certainly a strong one. So now it's trying to penetrate through here, but it's trading below 45.61, that level right there. So it's bumping its head. So given that, you could expect some sideways action taking place right now. So that's one of the reasons why I shorted. I'm fading the move on the short side just because the fact that I know it's going to bump its head here. So you know, my expectation is it'll just at least test the lower prices. If it gets there. Um, as far as ES, I'm not sure what I did on the last one, but I truly feel this is going to drop here. Um, so I highlighted these two levels right there. If it's actually, you can probably get closer to it now that it's playing around this area. Let me get a price, so you can kind of narrow down what price levels that you're watching. Um, you might find buyers here, as you can see. Once a resistance will turn into support. So, but I'm not probably a willing buyer here. I want to see the test of these lows first, um, before you even buy. So I'm still I'm still I'm still studying this daily price movement here just because I am still looking into maybe doing some swing trading here soon with futures, and it scares the crap out of me. But with my daughter going to school here soon, I need to adjust to that. Gold, yeah, it's like a dead cat bounce, making lower closes. So this is the highest high it made, and traded lower. Before that, now it traded lower again, then it traded lower then. So like I said, right now this is very, very news sensitive, and you can see the channel that I put in about a week ago, I guess, or a week or two ago. It's still holding, it's still trading within that channel. So anyways, nothing to say about gold really. I mean, it looks like it's really going to crack here, I think, to the downside, if you ask me. um, but but you know like I said, you got to read my disclosure. You got to trade at your own risk. So you got to study the charts. um, in the meanwhile, okay, well, you guys, my throat's really killing me right now. I'm talking this long, so I better get out. Right now I'm up only $37, and like I said, I'm not willing to risk my capital on this, just because I'm seeing the issue on both platform. You can see right now it's just dwindling right here. And like I said, I called my broker and they said they have data issues. So I will not be surprised if you're using any other platform that you're experiencing the same thing. So this could be happening right at the really at the exchange, if that's the case. So anyways, you all have a good one. Be safe. If you have any questions, certainly let me know. I can, I'm willing. I can give my 2 cents. If you're finding value in my videos, I appreciate you clicking that like button, and the share button certainly helps spread the word. Like I said, I apologize I haven't been able to make videos in a while, just because well, one, being sick, and just now just super busy at work. So until then, y'all have a good one. Right now the trend is up. I actually try to target 46.12. So when you get there, you either buy into it to that level right here, or you wait until you hit this level and you start looking for a weakness in price, then take the reversal trade. Okay, well, until then, guys, y'all have a good one. Take care.